On your profile, go to the tab Messages and choose a contact from your connections. You can start a conversation in your own language, even if the other person speaks a different one. Our chat translates the message automatically. On the other side, the message will show up in the language the browser is set to. You have also the option of seeing the message in the original language. On our messaging center, you can schedule a meeting with the option of requiring an interpreter. Now, you just need to wait for it to be accepted or rejected.